A fire broke out early morning today at Bioinnovation Center in Bengaluru's Electronic City, causing significant disruption. The incident occurred around 4:40 a.m. on Makara Sankranti with flames spotted on the second floor of the G+2 research building. Staff on site acted quickly, ensuring everyone evacuated safely. Fortunately, there were no injuries or casualties reported. The fire is believed to have started due to a chemical reaction. Firefighters from the Electronic City fire station responded promptly and worked tirelessly to bring the blaze under control. The fire was fully extinguished after several hours, preventing further damage. Karnataka IT/BT Minister Priyank Kharge later visited the site to assess the situation and extend his support. Investigations are ongoing to pinpoint the exact cause of the fire.